Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze weekly gold analysis for your next week gold trading. So last week my Telegram group gold analysis signals was accurate about 80%. So you can join with it my accurate goal signals with analysis in my Telegram. Link is below. You can join with that to get the profit from the goal trading. So I am in the daily chart goal. You can see I am seeing this is the famous pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and the right shoulder will continue next weeks. This is the pattern I am seeing technically. Head and shoulder pattern is this is the daily chart. That is the technical picture I am seeing in gold daily chart. So target is 1980 in right side shoulder will continue to the upside next week. That's my opinion in technically in gold. So this is the continuation next week. I am hoping price will reach 1960 above in next week. So that is the daily chart goal. So let's move to the economic data. What is going on next week? So you should touch with the economic data regarding US dollar if you are trading gold. So 10th August, that is the big volume event, that is the CPI data USA. So 3% is the current CPI data inflation report, and the Fed American Central Bank will expect 3.3% increase inflation report in next week USA. So that is the drop, that CPI report and the inflation report will drop to below 3%. That is the Fed interest rate post in next September FOMC meeting. That will sell off gold, sell off US dollar, and gold will buy. So that's my opinion with the economic event. You should touch with the economic data if you are trading gold like high volatility pair. So I am moved to the 4-hour chart for your technically what is the analyzing. So I am seeing this is the pattern continuation to the downside. So you can see the yellow color line. This is the parallel pattern is continuation to the downside, and you can see the below white color line in 1930 level, that is the left side resistance. Its resistance can be supported in here right side 1930 1928 level. So resistance becomes support. So simple technically theory. So I am hoping this is the next week this level 1940-42 level is the, you can see also left side support. So it has left side support. You can see this support can be resistance in right side and price going to the downside. Though you can see the left side huge support area, and it can be resistance in right side. Resistance in right side in 1940-42 level is the key zones for next week. So this is the drop, base drop is the technically, and price drop to the downside can be expected in next week. And that is the two levels 1942 and the below 1930. That is the key zones. You should touch that price not break to the downside clearly, and it will continue to the upside and break this trend line and going to 1960 level is the expectation. So you should touch with two zones. That the 1942 is the first zone, and the below zone is 1930 1928 level. You can see the yellow color line. Price will not break to the downside with the confirmation with the candlestick and economic data. It will go into the upside. That is topping. That is the downside movement. That price will continue like this is a 1914 is the target. So you will start with the economic data also. What is the price going on? This is the zone 1942 zone, the key zone, and this is a 1930 28.38. So this is the two zones you should touch with your get the trade zone. So I am hoping price not break to the downside. Clearly it will go into the upside. So thank you very much.